Have you ever wondered what life is like inside a Thai village? Come with me and let's explore it together. So daily life na naman tayo guys. So ayan guys, mayroon na naman tayong pupuntahin guys. Look at their drainage guys, very clean. Diba? So ganito lang yung ano dito guys. Diba wala kang masyadong makikitang mga basura, nakatapon. Diyan. Oh, parang Pilipinas lang din ano. Sobrang linis. Ganito ka-disiplina yung mga tao dito guys, wala kang makikita. Yun mo yung bahay guys. Oh. Actually mga disenyo, makaluma. May mga bago na din, very modern style. At may andun din may mga ano na. Ito lang yung mga bahay nila. Sikat na yung araw guys. So ayun lang guys, pinakita ko lang sa inyo yung drainage kung gaano kalinis. Walang makikita mga basura. So this is how the Thai people throw their garbage. So, very organized yung mga ano nila. Very clean. They're very well disciplined. And then some village here guys, you think that there are houses or abandoned places, but actually some of them are offices or private companies. Malapit na sa city. You can see some like mga advertising company, trading company dito. Ganito lang guys, oh. Diba? Parang Pilipinas lang din. So if you want to go to the city, there are many options. You can ride bus, train, or Grab or Bolt. Book in the apps. That's it. See? Very clean. This time you can see a lot of cars parked in front of the apartment because today is Saturday and early in the morning, and I think some of them are doesn't have work. Yung akala ng iba yung mga gusto pumunta ng Thailand, o parang naiinganyo sila sa yung mga views na ikikita sa social media. Pero may mga part talaga dito na parang Pilipinas lang din. Yan. So ganito yun. And that's it guys, we are here. Thank you so much for watching. This has been Video Pasino, and we'll see you again in my next video guys. Bye bye!